Oh, hi, you're tuned in to Bruiser's Backyard, and you guessed it, I'm the Bruiser. On today's episode, we're going to be making a sock dock, a total sock management system for you tired moms and dads out there sick of doing laundry. Well, hopefully this makes your laundry day a little less stressful. I first saw this product on social media and I thought, so simple, I got to make one for myself. So I'm going to show you the parts that I use. I'm going to show you some upcycling options, and I'm also going to show you how we use it in our house. So let's go to the build.
Supplies you're going to need for this project: shoelaces and cord locks. I got these cord locks, 50 pieces for under $7 on Amazon. I also got this 8-pack of 40-inch long Colorfull Shoelaces on Amazon for less than $9. Line up a pair of laces and use a simple overhand knot to tie off one end. Take the cord lock and feed one anglet, that's the tip of the lace, through the lock. It's easier if you do this one lace at a time. If you have trouble getting the anglet through the lock, use the anglet of the other lace to force it through. Continue doing this with the rest of the locks. Make sure the laces stay flat and tangle free. This way all the locks are facing the same direction when you're finished. I placed 10 locks on each dock, so a bag of 50 locks will render 5 sock docks. Then make another overhand knot on the other end of the laces. Depending on how long your laces are, you may want to create a loop to go over a doorknob. Measure down 10 inches from the one end and tie off your overhand knot. Then loop the laces around and tie another knot below the overhand knot. This will allow you to slip the loop over the doorknob to hang your sock dock. Now let's see it in use. Here's Muddy Mike grabbing 2 socks, slipping them through an open loop. He depresses the lock and slides it down the laces, locking the socks in place. When he's done, takes the entire sock dock off the knob and puts it into the laundry basket. The entire assembly can then be thrown into the laundry. For an extra buck, you can add one of these large carabiners from the dollar store to make it easier to hang your sock dock. The sock dock is going to make it so easy to transfer all your socks in one single load, from washer to dryer. When you pull them out of the washer, just fold over the socks, unlock the locks, and pull your socks out. Some people actually just keep them in the sock dock, hanging them back into the closet. They keep one sock dock for clean socks and another sock dock for the dirty ones ready to go into the laundry. Now let's talk about some upcycling options. You could probably find a bunch of these cord locks on lots of stuff that you might not always use, such as carrying sleeves for foldable chairs, old coats, or backpacks. You could pull shoelaces from old shoes for the sock dock as well. If an anglet is gone, you can make a temporary one out of some Scotch tape. And if you're using a frayed cord, you can burn the tips to weld them together and give them a cleaner look.
Now you may be thinking to yourself, it seems like a real pain in the butt to put the socks into the dock. Yeah, well, you know what else is a pain in the butt? Getting a sock caught in your front end loading washer. The old random socks falling to the ground when you unload the washer into the dryer. A single sock coming out of the dryer, missing its twin. Pairing up the socks in the bottom of the laundry basket, wondering, is this Billy's sock or Bobby's sock? As you know, a stitch in time saves 9, and that's why you should build a sock dock. Remember to subscribe, and until next time, Bruiser out.